In this segment, we delve into the essence of the shadow self and its pivotal role in tarot readings. The shadow self represents the hidden or repressed aspects of our psyche, often deemed negative or undesirable. By embracing and exploring these darker facets, we open the door to profound personal growth and self-discovery. Through tarot, we can unravel the mysteries of our subconscious mind and shed light on areas that require attention or transformation. Ultimately, facing and integrating our shadow self leads to a deeper understanding of ourselves and paves the way for inner healing. This segment delves into the exploration of the darker facets of your personality and the depths of your subconscious mind. By confronting these shadowy aspects, we confront our fears, insecurities, and hidden emotions that shape our behaviors and beliefs. Tarot serves as a powerful tool to shed light on these hidden aspects, offering insights and reflections that aid in self-awareness and personal growth. Through the symbolic language of tarot cards, we can unravel the mysteries within ourselves and embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. In this segment, we delve into the symbolic representation of the shadow self in specific tarot cards. These cards are often rich in imagery and themes that mirror our hidden aspects and internal struggles. By exploring the meanings of these cards in the context of personal introspection, we can uncover deep-seated fears, desires, and unresolved issues within ourselves. Each card serves as a mirror reflecting aspects of our shadow self, inviting us to confront and integrate these aspects for personal growth and self-awareness. This segment introduces practical techniques for engaging in shadow work, a crucial aspect of self-discovery and personal development. Methods such as journaling and meditation provide effective means to delve into the depths of our subconscious and unearth hidden truths. By utilizing these tools, we can navigate through our inner complexities and confront uncomfortable realities that may be holding us back. It is through these practices that we can cultivate self-awareness, emotional healing, and spiritual growth on our journey towards wholeness and transformation. In this final segment, we explore the transformative journey of healing and integrating the shadow self. It is essential to acknowledge and address our shadow aspects to achieve inner balance and harmony. By embracing self-acceptance and self-awareness, we invite healing energy into our lives and pave the way for integration. Through this process, we can foster a sense of wholeness and unity within ourselves, leading to personal empowerment and emotional well-being. By accepting all parts of ourselves, including the shadow self, we embark on a path of self-discovery and growth.